This quick polenta is comforting, it's creamy, and it's a delicious blank canvas for all of your favorite flavors and toppings. And Elena Davis says it's a delicious feeling side to feed your family before trick-or-treating. What a good option to consider. How are you?
Yes, good.
Everyone geared up for the big sugar high at your house?
Almost.
Almost there?
Yes.
Polenta, I've had it a couple of times, mostly at restaurants, actually.
Yes. So there's a few different ways to prepare polenta. There's creamy polenta, there's fried polenta, and I have the different variations on the recipe post. But today I'm going to show you the creamy polenta.
Good.
Because that's where the comfort is. And this is a comfort meal in Italy, all fall and winter. It's just so easy to make. It's a great alternative to pasta because it's naturally gluten-free. So it's a cornmeal kind of base.
I was going to ask, what is the difference between polenta and cornmeal?
So it's very similar, but the corn they use is different, and the way that it is ground is different.
Okay, all right.
So it's pretty much the same, but when you're making polenta, you want to make sure that you're using a package that says polenta on it, so that it cooks differently. Is probably the biggest difference. And so the recipe will not turn out just the same if you're buying grits and doing it this way.
And I hadn't stopped to think much about it, actually, but I didn't realize it was an Italian comfort food.
Yes.
I didn't realize it was Italian.
It is. It's totally Italian.
All right.
Polenta.
Good. Oh,
so there we go.
There she goes again. Now it is. Now it officially is. What do we got going?
So it really is super easy. And this creates the blank canvas that then we're going to dress up.
Doctor up.
And today we're making it super easy with cacio e pepe, which is cacio, cheese, pepe, pepper.
Okay.
We have our broth boiling. You can also use water. And now I'm adding the
like
polenta.
A chicken broth or a?
Yes. This is vegetable broth.
Vegetable
you can
broth.
use chicken broth or just water will do just fine as well, boiling water and salt. And now I'm just going to stir this, be busy stirring for several minutes. And I'm going to turn it down just a little bit.
It's popping at you.
And once it starts to thicken up, which it will pretty soon, I'm going to add a little bit of cream, Parmigiano, butter, and then our pepper.
I mean, you can't go wrong with any of the above,
no,
right?
No. But can you see how it's thickening?
Yeah.
And I'm kind of keeping my eye on it.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. And I'm just stirring, but you already can see how it is thickening up. And I'm just going to stir, 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 stir even more.
And it's not completely smooth. There is some texture to it, right?
Yes, there is a little texture to it, which is why I love it as opposed to maybe another kind of cornmeal variety that doesn't provide that.
Or a grit. That was the other word I was looking for.
Yes, exactly. And so as soon as it starts thickening up just a little bit more, we're going to add our other ingredients. And while I'm stirring, I just want to talk about the topping options that are possible. So today we're making it super simple. I would just eat a bowl just like that, loaded with cheese and pepper, and then this creamy polenta underneath. But let's say you're making a really hearty chili. You could serve that on top of that.
Oh.
Or how about a sausage and peppers and onion skillet? You could put that on top. Or your ragu or your polpette, which is meatballs, which I've made on here before.
Yes,
that was in the days where I was at home and you were here. I remember that. So there's lots of things. And now this is about the consistency you want it. Pretty thick.
But it really does become that vehicle for any flavor, any sauce, any topping.
Exactly. And there's cacio e pepe pasta, which people know about a lot. And this is its friend.
Okay. Its cousin.
Yes. So I'm adding
there's the cream.
Or whole milk.
Okay.
Here I'm actually using whole milk. So whole milk or cream will do just fine. And I'm slowly incorporating it. Then I'm going to add Parmigiano. Okay, and this is going to add, you can also add mozzarella.
Feels like there's just a warm blanket on the stove, doesn't
yes,
there? It's just
it's just
comfort in a dish.
Yeah, and it's raining outside, you know, it could be, and it just, this is exactly the pot that you want to come home to. And how easy is it to make? It's so fast with simple, few ingredients, not very complicated. Lastly, I'm just gonna give it a little love.
Because why not?
Yes, a little extra love with the butter.
It'll love you right back, I know.
Yes,
I know.
I know, you know it.
Elena, thank you so much. Pepper on top.
Yes, and the fresh pepper.
Simple, pure, which is the mark of good Italian food, and now we know how to make it at home. Where are you getting, do you have a favorite brand you like, or?
So there's many different brands. This is Bob's Red Mill that you can find at any store.
All right, I will be
So-
making this
Yes.
weekend. Thank you for
Yes.
the encouragement. Adding it to the
Super
grocery
easy.
list. Add to cart, as we like to say.
Yes, I
Where
love
can we
it.
get more recipe ideas from you?
cucinabyelena.com. I do about 2 new recipes a week. So if you subscribe, you get those right in your inbox, and it's totally free. And then Instagram.
Lovely.
Yes.
All right, we'll meet you there.
Cucina by Elena.
If you aren't following already, give it a click, and we'll link you over from our website so you can easily find her in all of the food fun online. Thank you again. Great job.